guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys all the Walmart home essential must-haves instead of Amazon. These are way better than Amazon. Most of them have to do with the price. I feel like the price is much better than the Amazon price. Now, I do love Amazon, don't get me wrong. I've been shopping on Amazon for years. I love shopping on there. I think they have such amazing products. But I do believe there are some products that I feel like they're just overpriced, and you can get the same thing, if not better, at Walmart for half the price. And these are products that all of us usually need for the house, all of us usually buy. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. But before we begin, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so that way you get notified every time I post a new video. I do post 5 days a week, so I would love to have you guys, so why not join me? And without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing I wanted to show you guys is this stepper right here. Hopefully I don't break my neck trying to show you guys. It looks like this. It's a 2-stepper. But guys, this one you can get on Amazon, the exact same one, for $30, and at Walmart it was only $15. So literally half the price. It is the same brand, the same color, everything. I was just blown away. I actually was gonna get it on Amazon, but when I saw this at Walmart, I was like, what? It is the same thing, guys, and it is from Walmart. So if you guys are in need of a stepladder, you might want to check out Walmart before you go on Amazon, and you can also purchase it online. So I was just blown away by this. This is just amazing. And on Amazon, they have it as a bestseller. So girl, go to Walmart instead. The next thing I wanted to show you guys is this right here. So this one is a trash can. It is by Stepladder, the name brand. And it opens up like this. Basically, you just put your foot down on it and it opens without you touching it. So it's kind of like hands-free, which is pretty awesome. And this thing actually comes out like this, and you can just throw the trash whenever it's full. Now, I do put a bag inside of this because I feel like it gets nasty if I don't. But yeah, guys, it has this little insert, and I just think it's amazing. This is $10. And on Amazon, there are similar ones like this for about $19.95, $20 range. So for half the price, guys, I would recommend for you to check out Walmart instead. And I really love this trash can because it's closed. I don't like to see the trash inside of it. So it being closed, I feel like it also doesn't spread any kind of weird smell. If you decide to throw something in here that's kind of like icky, it does kind of contain the smell. Not that I ever do, but just in case you do, or you need a little trash, and just throw all your stuff in there and then, you know, take it out of the bag and throw it out later. But yeah, this I think is really amazing. Like I said, I really love it because it's white, and I love it because, you know, it's covered so you don't have to see the trash. Now, this is preference, guys. You can get any type of trash you want. It's up to you, but I just think this is such a great deal, and it's just amazing. I do use this for my room, so I absolutely love it. And then moving on, I wanted to talk to you guys about the curtains that I picked up at Walmart. So I saved this for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. It is by Better Homes and Gardens, and it is an 84-inch panel and sheer pair set. There are 4 panels, guys, for $17. Guys, this is such an amazing deal. I have bought 2 panels from Amazon, and they were $30 for just 2 panels, and you get 4 of them for $17. This is so amazing, guys. I absolutely love it. 2 of them are actually right there. I put them right there in the back, and they're just so beautiful. And it comes with 2 of the sheer ones, which I actually put it over here where my balcony is. And the 2 curtains that I bought on Amazon are actually right there too. But guys, you cannot beat the price. This is amazing. 4 panels for $17.99. I got in the white. If you guys don't know, I love everything white as far as my room decor goes, because I just love white with little touches of like pink, or like my bed, which is kind of like off-white. It's more like a cream. But guys, I love it. I just really love it. I'm so happy about this buy. I just cannot believe it. And then another one too that I wanted to show you guys is another one like this. This is actually with 2 panels, but it is only $10, and it has, like I said, 2 panels. It is the 84-inch panel pair with metallic shimmer. Like I said, they have different colors and designs, different styles, but this was only $10. That is amazing. You cannot find that on Amazon. I can guarantee you that. I have looked, and this is just an amazing price if you're just looking for 2 panels. And then another thing that I highly recommend, guys, is the comforter set. Now I got my comforter. This is the comforter that I got from Walmart, and also the one with the pillows. It is a king size. I'm gonna insert a picture somewhere here just so you guys can see how it looks. But I got mine for $64. It was a king size comforter. Guys, this is such a great quality. It is so thick, so soft, amazing. I absolutely love it. And I think for the price, it is pretty amazing. I have seen comforter sets like this that run anywhere between $60 to $200 on Amazon, but on Walmart they are $64. There are some that are a little bit more, a little bit less, but I got this one at Walmart for $64, and I think that is such a great deal. Again, it has to be in the white because I love white. And then moving on to another thing that I do recommend that you guys pick up if you're in need of bed sheets. Guys, check out Walmart. Now I got my bed sheets from walmart.com, and they were $25. It was a king size bed sheets. It came with the fitted sheets, the regular sheet, and the oh my gosh, I can't think, the pillowcases. So I really love that, guys. It was only $25. I was gonna order some on Amazon, but they were about $32, even $40, $60, and $80. So I thought that was way too much for some bed sheets. Honestly, that's how I feel about it. Like, why would I want to spend $35 to $80 on some bed sheets? No, that's just not me. I just think that is way overpriced. So if you guys want to save some money, check out Walmart instead. They have some amazing bed sheet set. I love it. And it actually came with this right here. If they still have this one, I'm gonna actually link everything that I'm talking to you guys about down below in the description box, so that way it'll be easier for you guys to find it. But yeah, guys, and I'm also gonna link everything from Amazon in the description box as well, so that way you guys can see price difference. I mean, if you guys want to buy it on Amazon anyways, you could, it's up to you, but I prefer Walmart because a lot of the things are literally the same for half the price. Now, last but not least, I wanted to show you guys one more thing that I think it's really worth getting from Walmart instead of Amazon, and it is this shadow box right here. Now I got 2 of them. One of them is gonna be for my older daughter, and the other one's gonna be for my baby girl. But the reason why I got these is because I'm gonna put all like their little baby stuff just to remember like the cute little memories when they were a baby, and I'm gonna frame them. But guys, I got this at Walmart for $10 each, and on Amazon they are $20. So for half the price, you can get it at Walmart, guys. So save some money and check out Walmart before you go to Amazon. That's one of my tip I can give you guys. Before you go on Amazon, check out Walmart, because a lot of the things they have on Amazon, they do have at Walmart and walmart.com. So I really hope this video was helpful to you guys. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if it was. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys want me to do more videos like this. I love doing helpful videos to hopefully help you guys save some money. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are still watching this video and you still have not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.